Yeah. So today we will continue
So
with,
you said today we are going to do maths.
yeah, today we will do maths and we will do revision of the chapter fractions today.
So oral revision.
No, beta, it will be a written revision. Okay. Ready, all of you?
So your voice is coming very low. So your voice is very low.
Beta, I think there is some network problem at your end. Okay.
Sir, of which chapter we are going to do revision?
We will do the revision of fractions today. Okay, so in your fair notebooks, write down the heading revision and the name of the chapter fractions. Maths notebooks. Okay, first question. Question number one. You all will note down the question in your copies. Note down the questions also. Okay. The question is write three equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. Write three equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. So this question has three parts. A part of the question, 2 upon 3, B part, 7 upon 11, C part, 4 upon 9. These are the three parts of the question.
Okay, sir.
Right? In all the three parts, you have to write three equivalent fractions. I hope you all know what are equivalent fractions.
Yes, sir. So we write all the questions first and then write the answer, or sir, we write the question and then
Write
the
the
answer?
question first. You have to note down the questions first and then write the answers.
Sir, done.
Done all the three parts?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, wait a minute. Sir, done. Sir, please wait a minute. Sir, I have done.
Sir, please tell the next one.
Yes, wait, let others also do. Have you all done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm on last one. Please wait. Okay, sir, done.
So do you want me to give the answers? Anyone? Or you all have done it?
No, sir.
Sir, I have done.
So
Sir,
done.
Okay, I'm telling you how to
I've
do.
also done.
Only the first one I'm telling you. If you, this is a fraction 2 upon 6. If you multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number, you get an equivalent fraction to this number. Okay, so I am doing what I am multiplying this fraction by 2 upon 2. That means in the numerator I will multiply 2 and in the denominator also I will multiply by 2. So you get 2 into 2, 4 and 3 into 2, 6. So this is one of the answers. You could get different answers also. If you suppose multiply by 5 upon 5, it could be another one. But you have to multiply by same number. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 5 is 15. So this is another answer. Or what you can do, you can multiply by 10 upon 10 also. So 20 upon 30. So these are three of the answers. You can get different answers also. Okay. So like this, you all must have done all the three parts.
yes, sir.
Everyone? Okay, very good. Let's do the second question. Okay, I'm giving you a fraction. You have to reduce it to simplest form, lowest term. Reduce the following fraction reduce the following fractions to the lowest term. Reduce the following fractions to the lowest terms. First part, 24 upon 36. Second part, 49 upon 63. Third part, 54 upon 144. These are the three parts. Start doing. So what are these steps of doing this? Do you all remember the steps?
So please tell the correct answer.
Sir, please tell the second one.
This is 49 upon 63.
Sir, please
Okay,
one
sir.
time you also explain the steps. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
want-
It would be easy.
Okay, I am doing the first one here. The rest of
Okay,
the two
sir.
parts you all can try. First, you find out the HCF of 24 and 36. Do you all know how to find the HCF?
Yes, sir.
So I'm not finding the HCF
Yes,
here.
sir.
You all need to find the HCF on your own. HCF of 24 and 36 is equal to 12. So the HCF of 24 and
sir.
36 is 12. First you find the HCF and then you divide the numerator also by 12 and the denominator also by 12. Numerator and denominator by the same number 12 because 12 is the HCF. 24
Okay,
upon
sir.
36 is equal to 24 divided by 12 upon 36 divided by 12.
Yes.
So you get
Yes, sir.
2 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. This is the answer. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you do this now, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, start doing.
Sir, done.
D part 50 upon 125. Do all the 4 parts.
One time when you will explain.
Do you all know how to find the HCF?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you are finding the
Yes,
HCF
sir.
easily, if you are able to find the HCF, then the rest of the part is very easy. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very simple.
So please explain other two also. Yes, sir.
Beta,
sir.
you need to do it on your own. Try it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have done all. Sir, I have done all.
Very good.
है मुझे पूरा काम करना है मुझे काम मैं देख रहा हूँ
Done all the parts, everyone? Have you all done all the parts?
Yes, sir. But you also explain
No, sir.
time.
Yeah, I will give you the answers of all the parts. Don't worry.
Sir, almost done.
Sir, done.
Okay, very good. Okay,
Sir,
now I'm
done.
telling the answers of all the parts. You all need to check your answers. First part I have already done. Second one. The HCF of 49 and 63 is 7. 49 and 63, the HCF of these two numbers is 7. So you divide both, divide the numerator and denominator by 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7 and 63 divided by 7 is 9. So answer is 7 upon 9. Who will tell me
Sir, my
the
answer is correct.
HCF of 54 and 144? What is the HCF of 54 and 144? Tell me the HCF.
Sir,
Sir,
2.
I could not do this question.
What is the HCF of 54 and 144? Yes, anyone? No one has done the
Sir,
third
I
part.
think 15. Sir, 15. Sir, I am doing, sir.
Fourth part, what is the HCF of 50 and 125? Anyone? Has anyone done the fourth part?
No, sir, I
Sir,
have already done
Sir,
the
fourth
B1.
one is. Sir, I can tell the fourth one.
Yes, tell the answer.
No, sir, not answer HCF.
Tell the HCF.
25.
Yes, very good. 25 is the HCF in the fourth one. In the fourth part, the HCF of 50 and 125 is 25. Now it is very easy to do the question. Third one, who is going to tell me the HCF? Beta, I think you all are having problem in
Sir,
finding.
18. Sir, 18.
Yes, very good. 18 is the HCF. Who told me the answer?
Sir, Bhakti.
Bhakti, beta,
Yes.
very good. Your answer is correct. 18 is the HCF. Now find the answer. Are you having problem in finding the HCF? All of you?
No, sir. It is easy with prime factorization method.
Yes.
No, sir.
Sir.
So what is the problem if you are not having problem in
Sir.
finding the HCF?
Sir, I was listening how to do the solution. So, sir, it took a little bit time. So, sir, I did not got time to complete all of the questions.
Okay.
Sir, I have done.
HCF of 54 and 144 is 18. So you divide by 18 and tell me the answer. Here the HCF is 25.
Hmm. 85.
Here the HCF is 25. Tell me the answer, all of you. Now,
So the answer of third one is 3/8.
very good. 3/8 is the answer of the third one. Fourth one,
The fourth one I am doing.
answer of the third one is 3/8. Very good. And answer of the fourth one is
Sir,
the last one is 2 upon
2/5. 2/5.
Sir, the last one is 2/5.
2/5. Very good. 2/5.
सर
I am giving you a small revision of finding the HCF also. Okay. Because I think some of you are having problem in finding the HCF. So I am finding the HCF of these two numbers, 54 and 144. Okay. Let me tell you how to, just a revision, quick revision of how to find HCF. So I will show you how to find the HCF of 54 and 144. I can easily do it also, but you are a small kid, so you need to do it in this manner, prime factorization manner. So first you will find the prime factors of both the numbers. 54, what are the prime factors of 54? First you divide this by 2. 54 divided by 2 is 27.
27.
Now 27 is not divisible by 2. So the next prime number after 2, what is the next prime number after 2? It is 3. Do you all remember prime numbers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divide only
Sir,
by
two.
prime numbers. The next prime number is 3. If you are not dividing by prime numbers, you will never find HCF correctly if you are not doing it by prime numbers. So the next prime number is 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 is also divisible by 3. Again, you will divide by 3. So you get 3 again. And then
So
again
we will
divide
get
by 3, you
3.
get 1. For 144, first we will divide by 2 because it is divisible by 2. 144
Yes, sir.
divided by 2 is 72.
Sir, 27. Sorry, 72.
72.
Yes.
Then 72 again you will divide by 2 because it is divisible by 2. So you get 36. 36 also you will divide by 2, you get 18. 18 again you divide by 2 because it is again divisible by 2, you divide by 2, you get 9. Now 9 is not divisible by 2. 9 is not divisible by 2, but the next prime number after 2 is 3. Is it divisible by 3?
Sir, then we will use 3. Yes,
So we
sir.
use 3.
Yes, sir.
9 divided by 3 is 3.
Sir,
Sir,
now we will
3.
get 3.
3
Yes, sir.
divided by
And now
3
we
is
Sir,
will
now we
get
will get
1.
1.
you get
The 1.
So
Yes,
just write the common factors. So how to do this? You just count that how many times 2 is coming. Here only one time, and here it is coming 3 times. So you will take one time 2 from both the sides and just count the number of 3's. 3 here, the 3 is coming 3 times. Here 3 is coming only 2 times. So 1 3 from here and 1 3 from here. And Another 3 you can take from here. Another 3 you can take from here.
Sir,
So
we
only
will get
those numbers are
18.
taken. Only those numbers are taken which
Sir.
are. देखो 2 यहाँ पर दोनों जगह है. We have taken. So there was only 1 2. So we cannot take more 2s from here. We cannot take more 2s. 3 it is coming 2 times and we have 2 3s here also, so we can take 2 3s from both the sides. This 3 we cannot take the last one. We cannot take the last 3 because there were only 2 3s. So now what is the HCF? You will write
Sir, the HCF is 18.
1 time 2 and 3 2 times. 2 is coming 1 time, 3 is coming 2 times.
Yes, sir.
HCF
Yes,
is
sir.
18. This is the method of finding the HCF. So it was a revision of
Sir,
how to
mine is
find the
correct.
HCF. So I am adding one more part of this question. Let us see if you all can do it or not. Part number E in the same question. Okay. (28) upon 84. Not 84, sorry. 98.
Sir, this is question 3.
This is E part. Question 2, E part. Same question. Write in lowest term.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, please tell 8th one. But sir, E1.
Why? Just now I have told you everything. You can do it on your own.
Sir, please tell question. Sir, please tell question of E1.
Question is 28 upon 98.
Okay, sir.
Question.
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay. Just wait, let others also do. You can send your answer in the chat box.
Okay. Sir, I also found the answer.
Very good. Simran beta, recheck your answer.
Huh?
It is not correct.
Sir, I've written wrong answer. 1 minute.
Sir, I have also found the answer, and I am telling the answer.
Okay, the HCF
Sir, I have
of
sent the answer.
HCF of 28 and 98 is 14. How
Okay,
many
sir.
of you have got the correct HCF? 14 is the
Sir,
HCF.
me.
Eight
Sir, me,
divided
Bhakti
by
number 1. Sir, me.
how many divided by
Sir,
14?
Bhakti
Sir, I have also got. Sir, the answer is
Sir, I
2
have
upon
also got.
7.
Answer is 2 upon 7.
Yes, sir.
Take a screenshot.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Take a screenshot.
Sir, my answer is also correct.